to all our friends watching our live show this morning, and to all tuning in on the VTFM and Breakfast Show, and nonton ngono baru taging go. Kita baru cakap di bikin ni, na TV living rabi. Mana pakat singa, na kuru pakat singa. Go kuru mundu.
Turang tanya.
Ngon demes.
Ruang benda kena turang tahu na matang di kuah. And non the outs palang show. We say, and vinaka to all the staff of Punjas, as Vinod Patel, wherever you are tuning from, vinaka bagali besar na bitokani. And mataka di singa moni tidikua. 11th of August, 2025.
Well, good morning to each and everyone who tuning in from the bus this morning. Likewise to the minivan, likewise to the taxi, and
470.
To the owner of the vehicle, who coming fast to work in this morning. Thank you very much for tuning in this wonderful morning.
Thankful to all the drivers for their first arrival. For our first bus go.
Right.
Bentari and the family of Nasese bus, not forgetting Kehijet Vadrio Token Torsese. And also to who's that of the bed of the bus stand. Sunny Boy or Marika Binabole Usara Bitokar Buliman Mataniko, and everybody as being part of the Outspalang.
It's likewise to each and everyone tuning in from the VTFM Facebook Live, YouTube channel of VTFM, and likewise to the live stream of VTFM. Good morning to John Kumar from Barraveli Road, Sing Toka, and inside the vehicle, Corvo 0 OI. OI 949.
Oh.
Good morning. Thank you very much for tuning in. Sam Takape.
Yanra.
John Kampa Wanga. K. Biwanga.
Carry on, yo.
And Tamai Makalesi. Thank you from
Tonga.
From Tonga.
This fella is our meow from the Kaunrobe.
Yar benda bikin benda lebih biti ni ngol tu katakan abu ni nek bikin benda ngol tu gitu bikin benda lebih biti in the British Army in the armed forces all over the world. We say Yar Binaka and welcome to Ouch Palangi Show. To all our friends tuning in from all the way in Canada. Pemibiti ko na bubale ni seba patikili ki kapan orang boleh mai pesin rua.
Okay. From Senganga.
Senganga and mataka binaka di Kodawaka family. We say Yana Binaka and welcome to Ouch Palangi Show. And to all the students who took part in the Dean's Nani Bunda. Senganga. To all the students who took part in the Dean's quarterfinal, national quarterfinal, which was held last week in Lautoka. Two venues in Prince Charles Park, and as well as the King's Charles Park and Churchill Park in Lautoka. Wala bali usar boy tabrongone totoka pa o tinanong muningito.
Right.
Totoka pa o tinanong muningito. Libre talo rong binaka. Ito sa may rongo de suga nangonongo.
Very good deal.
Tapon bimbi na nomuni bitoko ni the support from the parents, the old scholars and bur bitoka ni narara lewerua may nandi bagaki na may lotoka.
Dir sara.
Tamale, where were you during the weekend?
First cut
First
cut Myself first.
I just cut my hair from home on Friday night.
Oh, see.
The new brass cut.
It was new to me.
Okay, tell us the
It was
story.
new to me because every time whenever my tabale goes out, he never trim his beard. Only last week he first time to trim his beard.
Because answer that question.
Okay, because my head was mila itchy.
Yeah.
Was mila, and I was like this. I see me on the mirror. The age is going.
Yeah.
The happiness is feeling.
Yeah. Right.
Gain, So I can see my hair start to white.
Oi.
Sa kasabula may sa balik takito ni satos na baki and a different kind of formation. So my beard, too I can see the whiteness. Sa sa sikuha.
Tu sikuha.
To sa sikuha may utas ang kay and I start.
So you want to be a durbo? Still want to be a durbo?
Not a durbo. I want to trim because plenty time my mustache. Ano ko na kana? Somniway. May
Burnibi.
Salay baka milimil tatal to nang karudo kung daw to nakatunabutin na. So and sometime when we drink soup. The soup? During that bedtime, we lay long batay ko nanta suminiway because of the soup.
Oh. Okay, how many square you have?
Plenty times.
He said he saw 2 square.
Here at the back, you just saw from here and from the beard on the side like this. And asapagas. Yeah.
So that's see. The thing is, I was spotted on that
night.
photo.
Yeah.
The photo from Nandi.
I don't know, that night.
Night, man. When he trim his beard,
Yeah.
look at here. Something left
Oh,
here.
na
Some of,
imbuto-buto di Katumba.
Yeah.
You see?
Yeah.
See,
Na
some-
imbuto-imbuto ni
Domet,
dalawa
domet,
kuno
domet,
tua.
domet.
Oh,
Yeah.
domet.
Yeah, the
Yeah.
domet here. Yeah, that one.
It's, I don't know, because if he want to trim,
Yeah.
he should trim it all.
Go
You
on.
know, the, when
Why you
do-
leave the domet?
When you mushroom haircut,
Yeah.
when you mushroom haircut, 0, half, 1 or 2 up there. It's like to the bed. 0, half, 1.
Aida, iko mo sana bisutaka. Nano mo side cut ko machunguri.
Yeah.
0,
Yeah.
half, 1, 0.
Oh, Jet Li. Ako sama kata kay Jet Li mo. Korili umbuki muri.
From this day onwards, they may please
Yeah.
leave the score alone.
Oh.
You cut the rest, leave it to show off.
Oh, lu lain dua. Tamay magaling mo lang nakamraw. Bilay sa niyan everybody joining this morning.
Yeah.
We love you even though some of us we may lose on our quarterfinal.
Yeah.
Some of us we giving
Yeah.
our everything
Yeah.
to our team from our zone.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. All the students. This is a game for
Okay,
students.
there were some a few comments on the different platforms. Yeah, they were saying, how about if the teams are draw? Yeah, Saud Sinangauna, say give them a few more minutes left. What did the rule say from the World Rugby?
The World Rugby says
Yeah,
because this is a game for a student.
yeah,
To the under 18.
yeah,
To the game for the student.
yeah.
Bimbi non dalawa nangone.
Right.
Okay.
So they will only play 70 minutes
Yeah.
of game.
Okay.
First half 30,
Yeah,
35,
Yeah.
35.
Okay.
So from there, as soon as the game finish. Before the game start, we have our tournament rule.
yeah.
So all the managers, coach will read before they start the game.
Right.
Okay.
So they know, they
Yeah.
knew it, what
Yeah.
will happen.
Yeah,
That's why some of the coaches, some of the managers, they want their team to score first. Because if they draw,
yeah,
they drew,
yeah.
they will be.
They drew.
They will be
They will
a
go
tournament
up.
rule.
Yeah, yeah,
See who score the first try,
yeah,
or if no, who score the most try.
yeah.
If no, who score the first point.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah, it will be like that.
Yeah, Dina Sara.
So
Time
some,
is change, eh? And,
yeah, that's from
last two
the
rules,
that's
eh?
from the top.
World
eh?
Rugby.
Yeah,
The whole
Yeah.
rugby.
Yeah.
Not
That's-
like us before, eh?
that's happening to Naitasiri and QS under 19 last year.
Yeah,
They drew.
yeah,
When they drew, that rule applies.
yeah.
Some of us we
Who
say
scored first?
sudden death. No, before sudden death.
Yeah.
Now the rules for the kids, for the children, it will be like that.
70 minutes, eh?
Yeah,
So
70
35
minutes.
What did you say?
No, like before.
Yeah.
Our time, like we drew.
Sudden
After that,
death.
sudden death. After sudden death, if no,
Then
kick.
Yeah.
That's a landing. Gora papa nua.
No,
Eh,
before,
sa iyo,
eh?
eh?
Yeah.
Sa utsi sangay
But now
apply
They
this
change.
rule, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, they
Okay.
change.
That's why we have children. They have their rights. They have their rules to cover them.
Ah.
That's another rule. If you can see properly, that's a good point from you. Eh?
Yeah, yeah.
If they play like a super rugby,
Yeah.
when they come and play, they have a water break.
Yeah, what a break.
Because this is for the children, eh?
Yeah, yeah.
You know they have times of tiredness.
Yeah, yeah.
So if the Fiji Secondary School Rugby Union and the Fiji Rugby if listening,
Yeah.
they can apply that rules
Yeah,
to
but
the.
itu dikatakan sudah rak,
Yeah.
Okay, baka sama tak when the touring teams from New Zealand and Australia come over to our shore
Yeah.
and play the game, especially in the West.
Yeah.
They have this small break in the middle of the game, which is called the water break. Okay, no mira, betul cukup may balik sih orang itu sudah kata-kata sih. Okay, thinking about the students, eh?
Yeah.
The small kids, 14-year-old, playing in the sun. Di na nila talita ka, but I don't know kung baka nanano nga.
Yeah.
If we have water break,
Yeah.
in between.
Where in the West is different.
Yeah.
I went to lots of the game when they came, the opposites.
You spend some time in Land, yeah?
Yeah,
Yeah.
after the game, eh?
Yeah.
And this is the thing they do. They message the hotness.
Huh?
They message the hotness. The
Oi.
team from overseas, they message the hotness.
Yeah.
If it's very hot, if they tell them very hot, sometimes the game,
They
It's
massage the
postponed.
hotness.
Oi, postpone.
postpone. See, when the Stormers
Yeah.
and the Knights came to play in Fiji, in Notoka, the rugby league,
Rugby league, yo.
they message the,
They mess up.
they message the hotness. Oh, it's
The
very hot.
temperature.
Yeah, temperature. And they're supposed to play at 12 o'clock. and they postpone into 2 o'clock
Oi.
because of the hotness.
Yeah, reda. Oh,
So it's good.
Yeah.
It's good because as people in Fiji,
Yeah.
maybe we don't measure the hotness.
Yeah, we
When even the raw plays,
Yeah.
they measure the hotness. You first time to know?
And imagine playing in South Africa
Yeah.
in that kind of weather.
Yeah.
That's why we see the South African team. They're very good. They're very strong, eh?
different, yeah.
Because of maybe the weather, eh?
Ah.
Okay. Kembali na sa the 18 players, the students in Demesi, it's 70 minutes.
Yeah, 70
Not more than
minutes.
70.
No.
Maybe extra time, eh?
We no extra time.
Yeah.
That's why it's there in the tournament rule.
Yeah.
It's each team they must have a tournament rule.
Yeah.
That's why before the game they come together, they do the briefing. They do the briefing and they go. Yeah, nobody is allowed to play. Nobody is allowed. Nobody is allowed to play beyond
Yeah.
unless the ball is alive.
Right.
If you reach 70 minutes,
Yeah.
you can only go beyond
Yeah.
if the ball is alive. Sembulat yung na ball.
Right.
When that ball passed away,
Yeah.
then
That's it.
That's it.
Finish the game, eh?
Iya, nangono nga sa no consent lang kaya the game finish.
Bikin na kada ko na itukutuko ngo may punta ka chukon demes na nono to law may nambunikan tabo nangono se bulikin may ratuluke. Okay, the 35 minutes first half, 35 minutes second half. Orto may ratuluke senga. 1 minute first half, 69 minutes second half.
Kaya na terima tabi to kan singa tamu. Singa tala nek tay sandi ba nek tay ngama ya menda. Ambo da batu na kulin nila
It's a record. It's a record not only in Fiji but around the world. First half 1 minute, second half 69 minutes.
Kaya muna dito matay talaga ni ngao may mga rin tanang gito may pansa na polo. Binabalik punja subata kay Winod Patel na bito ko ni.
Passed away the ball.
Iya. Ada benak.
Saya mana banu ben Ravinaka. Samambula.
Iya.
Osterio mo. Go ngai Samambula osteri.
Oh, ya ada benak.
Iya.
Isa.
Tina Jos, mula minaka. I saw you come and watch the game here.
Oh, matakali.
Here.
Oi. Oh, because of the Ralube.
Ralube.
Iya.
Yeah. Why you never message us?
Iya. Baka cuma nama tabu nama matakali.
Iya.
Ya, si.
You like a blind winger.
Boleh duinga.
Ndrai mani toli liki na koro be tukana na kure lai senia. Binabale to the Arkes team Ben Seru anaresobu and tambo be tangomaki. Arkes Ragas Robultingo nangito machabani. Lina boss.
Oh, yeah, isa. Yeah, that went to Japan, eh?
Iya.
Demes na gitar rugby satos, eh?
Iya.
From your time to this time.
Iya. Satos.
Satosar na gitu, eh?
Moses yang bakitini ngo Moses Lubeta sau former Fiji team
Drabul kemrau.
na itasiri.
Drabul na kemrau.
O di ko na koro isawan niliu. Na batubula.
Nabuka luka.
Nambuka luka ka, nambuka luka.
Oy, no munde may na batubula.
Iya. Kausa drabul sumang ko lumani koro, drabul sumang lumani koro.
Iya.
Nona bala to kasar ng batini ni ngon sala.
And another one is a former Fiji rep to Moses langin damundamu. Ngo tamay nanta.
Oi!
Oh, ni ba may balang ko?
Woo! Kemrau.
Iyo.
Ayaw kemrau.
Idak tu nambuni
Sila totoo.
Iya.
Scrum game may idak star sa sa.
Tama. Nakababerel.
Dunan kasi kami na koro. Ngay may bayata ka to koro nang referee. Yo coach, kaya mi simeredi ko ng referee.
Iya.
Ngay tu kuno ko, basta mo takaw nang sa referee ta kinita sa kinan rong ang ko nang kitole mo.
Iya.
Au sulit tu tin kalim na minute binan rong me nararamay bi ko rin.
Mertungun woy.
Nuay.
Lang ka pa.
Nararamay.
Naluay.
Iya. Au sulit tu tin kalim na minute binan rong me advantage tu berto. Sama ko rin nang kasi ko salau mo dulu nara.
Berto ngango be nakambea. Orto na geng ni nek ngo.
Oh, ya ada ka.
Ombe ni kumbuila.
Iya.
Wala ni binang may Gisborne. Pinabalisa. Doon na kanina may nanumikimo ni. Lomani Island Resort ngo. Malolo laylay.
Isa.
Guyado, Kotombalabu.
Ada ka tabay ben. Ki tabay seka.
Area tatina na live. Usu ya ngonga.
Met pulawa.
Ketu me ketu sada ba?
No.
Oni binaka hamar demes.
Trontani.
Kurumundo